Okay, let's get started. I got my unboxing scissors here. Whoa, a lot of crap in there. What the hell? Something fall on the floor?
Oh, that's
well, this is the flints. Came with an extra wick. The lighter fluid. Unbagging. Whatever you want to call it. Wow, this stuff seems so much bigger on the internet. And there's your fluid. And the zippo. This is a brushed chrome, I think 200. There it is. In the back, there's a little tab, I think, on one of the ends. Yep. Just take that off. And whenever we open this up, yeah, that's definitely a zippo. Sweet. Now I'm also going to fill it up for you. Let's see if there's there's a flint in there. Take this out. And there's a little thing here. It says lift to fill. And this little screw right here is where the flint goes in. So let's lift this. And what I do is I close this cam thing. Set the zippo on in here. Oh wait, first gotta open up this. How does this work? Now let's fill this. Should be good enough. Let that soak in there. Give it a nice little shake. Insert it back in. Close the cam. Close this. Open it up and see if this lights. Sweet. First time. Gotta love it. Whoa, the flame gets bigger and bigger and bigger. Look at that. Well, yeah, that's basically it. Okay, alright, talk to you guys later.